Hi everyone, we're going to do an unboxing. So, I took the girls to the vet and stopped at my mailbox, and this box was in my mailbox. So, I think some of you are going to really like this one. So, let's check it out. Using the Civivi Cindy. I'm excited for this one. Let's see what we got. I'll back that off a little bit. Ooh, it looks like there's oil. Let's look in here. Oh, we got some oil for pivot, knife oil. Thank God it's in another Ziploc bag. In fact, I'm going to set that. It's oily. Not on the outside, just the inside. Alright. Cleaning cloth. This is North Mountain Blade. That's funny. Band-Aids. I like it. Because you know, if you're a knife person, you're going to end up cutting yourself. That just happens. We have some, Q-tips. And they sent a bit in there. That's kind of cool to work on the knife. And this is paracord. So there's different strands. Like, I'm sure it's his Survivor paracord maybe. I don't know, I'll have to look at it. But it's also probably for Lanyard. That's cool. Let's see what else we got. North Mountain Blade. There we go. Just like a thank you from them. So if you do want to check them out, if you want to use that, you can. I will put their link in the description. Alright. Packaging peanuts. Not a whole lot. And here we go. That's kind of cool. They put oil and Band-Aids and a bit and paracord in there. Alright. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Nice case. And what's in here? Let's look and see what's in here. We have a part that looks like a spacer if you want to flip the pocket clip. You know, I'll show you when it comes out. That's what it looks like to me. Card. Nice card. And what is this? Another cleaning cloth? Looks like it. Nice. Yeah. Another cloth. That's nice. All right. Oh, and we have a sticker. Cool. So this is a new brand for me. I know they've been around, but this is new for me. And I decided to do unboxing on here so you guys could all see it. I've been looking forward to getting this knife. We got a nice case. Very nice case. Nice strap in there. And here is the knife. This is the Chop 2. Oh, yeah, I like it. See if I can bring that in so you can see it better. This is the Chop 2. Very nice. All right. Let's check it out. Oops, let me do that again. There we go. Look at that blade. Woohoo! Samurai blade. Oh, I like it. Let me put some stuff on it. Take a better look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. It's a button lock. Flipper. I don't have the specs on this, and I will do a full review on this later. I just wanted to share the unboxing. So, there's the unboxing, there's the jimping, and I got a lot to learn about this knife. Back spacer, jimping on it. North Mountain Blade knives. So, there we go. And I like it. And they're reasonable. Very reasonable. So I was very looking forward to this blade. And in fact, on Darkwater's YouTube channel, he was doing a giveaway, and I actually got drawn for this knife. So there's a great channel to check out too, Northwater Actual, excuse me, and I'll put his link in. And thank you all for watching, and this was the unboxing of North Mountain Blade Chop 2. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.